Come on, WR120 or 100. Oh wow, that activated. Oh, severe thunderstorm watch.
Weather message. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 279, effective until 1 a.m. Thursday. This watch includes the following county: Columbiana, Ohio, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington,
Okay, what the heck?
and the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke,
Okay, what?
Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio, and Conneaut, Ohio to Ripley, New York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable
what
for the
is my-
development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for
Okay, I'm
rapidly
tuned out.
changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
That was not a good
At 6
EAS at
p.m.
all.
Elsewhere